Hey guys, this is Dave John. Welcome back to my channel. And this time, samahan nyo ako. share ko sa inyo yung process or kung paano ako nag-apply ng Japanese visa. So, ang ginawa ko guys, pumili ako ng isang visa processing agency na located sa Mall of Asia, Pasay. So, ayan yung pupuntahan natin siya ngayon para mag-submit na tayo ng requirements and hopefully we can get an approval within 7 to 10 days. Bago ako magpunta ng agency guys for my visa application, I already prepared my requirements. Pumunta lang ako sa Japanese Embassy website guys para malaman lahat ng requirements at yung mga things na kailangan i-prepare. Pero lahat ng yan guys, lalagay ko na lang sa description para mas madali na sa inyo yung step-by-step guide on how to apply for a visa. So ayan na guys, nandito na tayo sa Attic Tours located in Mall of Asia. I chose this one guys kasi I'm from Cavite, so malapit lang siya sa amin. Nasa southern part siya ng Mall of Asia, malapit siya sa IKEA and SMX Convention Center. And based sa experience namin sa kanila guys, I highly recommend them because they made it so easy for me for my visa application. Yan yung first step guys, kuha lang kayo ng number and wait your number to be called. Pwede nyo i-download yung application form guys bago pumunta dito, or pwede kayong humingi na lang sa kanila. Make sure i-prepare nyo na rin yung mga requirements nyo before kayo tawagin. At ayan yung application form guys, so pwede siyang i-fill out habang nag-aantay. And in my case, I did apply for a multiple entry visa, so I have to fill out an additional form. If you're unsure about the questions or what will you answer, just ask the admin guys, they are very helpful. Personal information lang naman yan guys, saka passport information, and if you are employed or if you are a business owner. Very straightforward naman yung formula guys, madali lang sagutan, unlike yung Korean visa, medyo confusing pa nga eh. Just be careful guys and avoid erasures. And guys, after submitting the form and my requirements, I waited so that they can evaluate it. Malaking bagay guys talaga kung kumpleto na yung requirements nyo para di na kayo pabalik-balik. After ma-verify yung requirements ko guys, it's all approved, so I went to pay my visa processing fee. We paid 1,500 pesos for each application. They will just call or text me at my phone number regarding the result within 7 to 14 days. At guys, ito yung mga requirements na kailangan nyo kumpletuhin. The primary requirements of course is the passport, and then yung application form with your picture na nasa white background. Just go to any photo studio or Tonics guys, they already know what to do when you tell them that you need it for Japanese visa application. Number 3 is birth certificate, and number 4 is marriage certificate if applicable. Both this document guys is needed to be issued within a year by PSA. So hindi na nila tatanggapin yun guys pag luma na or lagpas na ng 1 year or issued pa by NSO. They only accept PSA. Number 5 guys is your Japan itinerary. So basically guys, you have to make a draft of your plans or things to do in Japan. Your daily itinerary is required, but that doesn't mean that you need to book in advance like your hotels, your activities, your flights. Hindi kailangan yun guys since we are still getting an approval, so hindi natin alam kung ma-approve tayo or hindi. Paano kung mag-book tayo in advance as di tayo ma-approve, di sayang naman yung binayad natin. Provide nyo lang guys yung plano nyong date of entry and exit for your flights. For hotels naman guys, research lang kayo sa Agoda or booking.com. Check nyo kung anong pinakagusto nyong hotel doon. Then get the hotel information such as their contact number, the hotel address, because you will need that for filling up the application form. Then yung daily itinerary guys, kahit draft lang. For example, if you will go to Tokyo, day 1 Tokyo Tower, Shibuya Crossing, Shinjuku, and then day 2 Mount Fuji tour, and so on guys. So just make an effort to create a daily itinerary. Sobrang importante yan para makita nila na preferred ka talaga or gusto mo talaga yung trip. Proceed tayo sa number 6, which is the bank certificate. So guys, pwede kayong humingi sa bangko nyo. Like for me, humingi lang ako sa BPI. I'm not sure with the other banks, but in my case, I just tell them that I will use the bank certificate for Japan visa application. And usually may format na yan sila guys. And just make sure na may average daily balance yung certificate nyo. Number 7 is a photocopy of your latest income tax return. That's BIR Form 2316 if you are employed. If you are self-employed or business owner, that's BIR Form 1701. So, hindi na talaga nila hihingin sa inyo yung mayor's permit, yung DTI nyo. So, basically, for business owners like me, they will just ask you to submit the ITR. Guys, yung bank statement for 3 months is not required. Pero sa akin, piniprepare ko na rin kasi there is a possibility na hihingin din yun sa inyo. That's basically it guys. Yun lang yung mga requirements na piniprepare ko. But I recommend you always check first on the Japanese Embassy website just to make sure you'll get an updated list of requirements. So here comes the day, moment of truth. Nag-text na sila sa akin guys para malaman ko yung result. So pumunta na agad ako sa office nila. Hindi nila sasabihin sa iyo yung result via text. So nakaka-abak nung pumunta ako sa office nila. So ayan, same process. Kuha ka lang ng number and then wait for your turn. Tapos ayan si ate, may pa-suspense pa eh. Walang sabi-sabi. Binigay lang sa akin yung passport. Hindi mo lang sinabi kung pasado ako or hindi. Tapos ayan guys, when I open my passport, here's the result. I was really happy because Japan is my dream destination. I'm really excited to go there and thank you so much Attic Tours for making this happen. Guys, hindi sponsored to ng Attic Tours, so kaya Attic Tours baka naman. But seriously guys, I highly recommend them. Sobrang dali yung process sa kanila. They have different branches nationwide, so you can check them guys kung gusto nyo or malapit sila sa inyo. Thank you so much for watching guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and push that notification bell for our future gala. Thank you so much. Peace out.